Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Seraph, and today we are going to talk about exam weeks. When we film this vlog, the exam week is still going on. Exam week in general can be very stressful. Me, for example, am very stressful during these exam weeks because I had 8 courses. This is not something I will advise someone to do, but aside from this, let me give you some general tips and advice in terms of studying for the exams.
Alright everybody, I am about to go to my very first exam of this quarter. It's Friday, it's 8 in the morning. But yeah, I've studied around as well as I can, so I guess I'll just sort of show you around the exam hall and hope I don't fail!
I just got out from the library. It was quite fun today because before when I study at home, like the environment is not very suitable. There's always some disturbance and distractions. But today when I studied in the library, like everybody surrounding me, they were really quiet, and it just gives me this kind of academic feel, and I would certainly come to the library more often. I would also encourage you to come to the library just to feel like being in the uni again. My first advice to you is to not study in your bedroom. If you study in your bedroom, you can't really have this sensation that you almost do all your activities in your bedroom, but this is actually not that helpful if you want to concentrate on your exams or studying. My advice to you is to reserve a spot at uni. It is really convenient and you can study with your friends together. Being with your friends or classmates, it can motivate to study together with them. Sometimes for some people, you might not be able to meet them in person. It is also possible to study together over the internet, for example, over Zoom.
Hey everybody, I thought that I would just sort of give a little vlog check-in about what I'm doing on a Tuesday afternoon during these exam weeks. It's currently a beautiful day. It's 68 degrees and it's the end of March, which means that summer is probably coming soon, which I'm very excited for. So I'm just currently studying for this exam that I have called Representation and Interaction, and it's very logical and very technical. But luckily this exam lets me take in any amount of cheat sheets or printables or whatever, which is not common for most exams. A lot of math exams allowed me to make my own 1-page A4 cheat sheet, which I took advantage of and put every single thing that I could on there. But this one's just I think it's a lot more applied, and I don't necessarily have to memorize all the theory, I just have to be able to use it. And so I'm just sort of on my iPad making all of these cheat sheets and everything. So that's how I'm sort of studying for this. Yeah, so I had an exam on Friday, which I think it went fine. It was on campus, and I have another exam on Thursday, which is in 2 days. So I have today and tomorrow to review all of this material, which is a lot, but hopefully the cheat sheets will save me in this one regard. I am going to later in the video show you some of the best spots on campus that you will be able to sit down at, and I just am very picky about where I sit on campus because I really like having windows and natural light, and so I will just show you what I have learned, all of you, and whoever watches this vlog will have the hidden knowledge of Radboud University, so stay tuned for that.
Stay away from your phone as much as possible. This is something that I can relate to myself very much. I'm not sure if this happens to you also. If I have to watch some pre-recorded lectures, it always takes me the whole day to watch a 2-hour lecture, which is insane, and I really don't like that. And what I did is just like I put my phone like just somewhere like I can't reach or I'm too lazy to get it. Then just finally I can watch this lecture and then I'm done there. In addition, when you study, you can also play some light background musics, the songs without lyrics. It can help you concentrate on your study, especially if you have to read and memorize a lot.
Study spots on campus. It is nestled in between the Spinoza, Grotius, and whatever the building back there is named. I think it's like, it starts with a C. We never go to it, so I don't know, I'm sorry. But it's just like a very nice little clearing with 4 picnic benches. And one of my like pet peeves about the city of Nijmegen, and then maybe this isn't just Nijmegen, but like there aren't enough picnic benches. There's a lot of park benches, but if I want something with like a table on it to get that like, you know, so I'm not hunched over, there's not a lot of options, and so I usually have to go to uni. But here there is like a glorious 4, and there's also like a little swing that you can go to. It's very cute. So this is definitely sort of a secret spot, a hidden spot, but if you go next to Grotius, you're bound to find it. Secret knowledge. I'm going to start studying for my exam tomorrow because it's currently Wednesday, and it'll be fine.
Now let's talk on-campus on-campus exams. For the on-campus exams, it is advised to go there as earlier as possible. Due to the corona measures, now the on-campus exam takes longer and slower to enter. And you are advised to also look up the places that you are gonna have your exams in. This happens to me once, that I went to the municipal theater for a recit, but the recit was held in a different place, so I almost couldn't do the exam, but luckily I go there earlier and I managed to do the exams on time.
Hey everyone, so I thought that I would just sort of show you how easy it is to book a room at Radboud. If you search online, there's like a more comprehensive guide, but overall I found that it's like not that hard. I can usually book a room in like a couple minutes if I know what I'm looking for. But the main portal that you need to go to is just like face.ru.nl. And then that will bring you here, which is the Radboud Face portal, and then you sign in with your student number and your password, just like you would normally when signing into Brightspace or Osiris or any of that. And then that will bring you to this sort of like reservations section where you can book a group workplace, a study workplace, and look at the reservations that you've already booked. And then here it sort of like shows you all about the buildings and like the times that they're open, and then you have to put in when you are going to be booking it, what building you would prefer, and then it shows you a sort of list of like all of the availability and everything. I am currently in the TVA building, which is becoming my new favorite building. I never like really spent any time here before, but they have like a whole garden, and like this window is south facing, so I get a lot of sun, and I can like crack the window and hear the birds, and so highly recommend. Hello everybody, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope that you really enjoyed. I hope that you got a little bit more of a sense of like all of the nice study spots on campus. And exam weeks. How did exam weeks go for you, Sarah?
It was pretty tough, and yeah, and I like very sadly I failed one of my exams.
No.
Because I have like 4 like written exams in total. But like at the beginning I failed 2 exams, but then I went to the inspection. This is something that I want to tell you, like if you get like for example 4.8, there's a chance you can go to the inspection to still get some points back. So I went to the inspection and I managed to pass another exam.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah, I passed both of my exams, and I haven't gotten. It still is taking them like a while to give me the grades back, but I think that I did fine. But yeah, so now we're back into the last quarter of our second year of our bachelor, and hope that you got some good tips from this YouTube video.
I hope like our video like really helped you in your like studying life and your exam week. Yeah, and so we will see you in the next video.
See you in the next vlog.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.